Welcome back, DIYers. I am back with another video. If you want to see how I made these beautiful shelves for my bathroom, please stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now this DIY, I end up stopping by my local hardware store. I end up getting two boards. They are each a 1/2 inch thick. I will pop up for you guys the dimensions of the boards as well. You're going to be gluing these with some Gorilla Glue. This is for wood. You're going to go ahead and stick your two pieces of wood together. Make sure your hand is as sturdy as possible, because once this sets in and dries, it's going to be very hard to get it apart. I did have some clamps that I'm going to clamp in place just to hold the boards in place. FYI, I should have pushed my clamps in a little further. My board is falling apart on me, but for the next one, I am going to make sure my clamps is pushed in as far as they can go. Now we're going to be staining our wood. I decided to go with this deep color wood stain. It almost looks black, but what I'm going to do is get the stain to penetrate in the wood just a little bit, and I'm going to rub it off with a rag. After this dry, you're going to top it off with some polyurethane to set in the stain. Okay, you're going to take some shelf brackets and putting them on the back of your wood. I was having a hard time doing this by myself, so I decided to get some help. You know, it's okay to get some help sometime. My husband was so happy to help me. You know, not really, but he ain't have no choice. I needed some help, so here he is doing his husband duties. Now the screws that I end up getting for these brackets, because they did not come with any, were so long and they were piercing through the other side of my board. So just make sure you know the measurements correctly, because obviously I didn't, to make sure you don't have the same problem I did. Yes, it is time to put your shelves on your wall. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to the point that I'm struggling. I can't even screw it on. So I'm just going to have my husband step in and finish it up because I just couldn't do it. I don't know what was going on. I just couldn't do it. Here's the final look of my shelves. They look so good, y'all. You don't even know how many times I wanted to give up and scratch this project. It took me through all the emotions. Like, I did not need to go through that. But you know what? As I always say, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it. Thank you for watching, guys.